Ready for your Zodiac trip?
These are just mild discomforts I have to weather.
Group.
Here's our boat.
The lady that owns this valley is like throwing in a botanical garden in here. And you can see he's already terraced it off, throwing in all kinds of flowers and plants. Yeah, privately owned. Guys, keep your eyes open for turtles around here. Coming around. And AKA means avoidance or stay away class people. This area right in here. The reason why is because of the Heiau right over here, which is like a Hawaiian temple or a place of worship. And if you look at the coconut trees, just to the right of the coconut trees, you can see the grassy area in there. And if you walk around there, if you walk right here. And you guys see sons, priests, boat builders, the hired class guys. You might have seen this house in here on the TV miniseries. Now the cliffs in here are like about 5 boats out the year. How big our surf gets. Yeah, millions. Relative to that beach that we're looking at actually gets a lot bigger. I was telling you how all the beaches get a lot larger in the summertime. This one, stand down this way another 30 yards. A large cave all the way down the end of the way into the next valley here. If you hike over the top of here, you see why the trail doesn't extend any farther. Kind of like looking out of a keyhole when you get all the way back. They call this Valley of the Dead or Valley of the Lost Tribe. They found stone walls back in here that they dated pre-Hawaiian. The walls look like they did actually the rock, but the stone was cut. And the Hawaiians had no way of cutting stone. Great masons, they can make great stone walls, but these are a little bit different. They don't really know much about it. They call it Valley of the Lost Tribe. The lava rock looks a little bit different in here, yeah? Kind of like it's a spot where they've got a lot of ash to make it stand on the lava.
Finally had a great day in the sun at Kauai.
Yeah, look at the sun on this island.
But we found it. And where did we find it? Poipu Beach. Kind of the southwestern shore. There it is. Poipu Beach. Poipu Beach Park. One of the nicest parks we've ever been to.
Thank you.
Just native trees.
They grow natural.
Growing natural, and they're orange colored flowers just on the tops of these big trees.
Oh, hurry, there's a...
Beautiful pink flowers.
They're not very fragrant.
But they're pretty.
Here.
Here you see a field of sugar cane. Just acres upon acres of sugar cane. And then in the background, this is the valley. There's a nice large mountains. And you can see that light green color to the mountains. That's a Hawaiian fern. Right, B?
I think you're looking at something very interesting.
What could that possibly be? There's Bee suntan. There she is with her flower on. Oh. Nice day in Hawaii, in Kauai.
All right, Douglas. Sugarcane fields in Hawaii. And this is Douglas driving the car by the sugarcane fields.
Very good. That's going to be in very good focus.
That's the steering wheel.
B!
And that's him. View on our way back from Kauai. This is the view from our way back to Luhu from Kauai.
Here we are,
That's it.
going back to our Westen hotel.
This is the drive up.
Yeah, on this side. Some nice, right through the windshield. Beautiful scenery here. You can see excellent landscaping. Why is it shooting through the dirt?
Why don't you be quiet? What do you bother me for?
I have to. What do you mean? What are you doing? Shut that off.
How's living the life of the rich and famous, Dr. Barkin?
It's great. Look at the horses we were on the other day. Here we are.
Have you filmed this yet, Douglas?
I don't think so.
Where do I put the camera? It's on.
Yeah. All right, fine. And then I'll take a picture of you two driving up.
Okay.
Photographer. Of course, this is just a gag to get your camera. You know that.
You can have it.
Come back up. That's the way. Sure. I'll get over here.
Oh, thanks.
I get the next turn.
Look,
Two French towels.
I couldn't resist the view.
Our hotel room's up there.
I can't tell, is it off?
What?
I can't tell my 1 beats from my 2 beats.
It's off now. It's on.
It's on?
Where are we going?
5:30, it's time for cocktails
Oh, yes. What a tough
at
ride.
Kauai.
I'm still filming. Hey, B, swimming in the pool of ours?
Pool of ours.
I like the pool of ours, but we've never swam in it.
There's a big pool of ours here.
The biggest pool in Hawaii. Oh, that jacuzzi's full. Nice bikini, V. Very nice. Hop in. Go ahead, we're gonna get to the jacuzzi, it'll be fine. And that's the one we're gonna pick. It's empty. Oh, that one's full, oh shit. I guess that's the one we're going to. All right. The beach is swimming at the largest pool, in Hawaii, on Kauai. There she is next to her. What type of animal is that? A fish. And Beatrice is now kicking much better in her swim. Swim all the way over here.
How is it?
Much better.
Okay, I'm done.
Good morning. It's Saturday, May 14th, and you can see the time printed out there. It's a beautiful morning.
Kauai is the garden island.
It's the garden island, and there's a reason why it's the garden island. It's because it always rains. And here you can see it's another lovely morning. You see, there's the sky.
The travel agent forgot to tell us that it rains here.
It rains here. Now that noise you're hearing in the background is not the ocean. That's a torrential rainstorm. The only other thing that can complement such a morning is that we lost my wallet. But that's no problem. No problem in paradise. We didn't lose any money. Not that that would be a problem either. No problem. Well, we're going to sunbathe out here. Well, listen, we got burnt yesterday. We found the sun and we'll find the sun again today.
Today it doesn't look like it, and there's anything.
Oh, there is. We'll find it.
It looks pretty bad.
It's only a torrential downpour.
Jane should have told you it rains here.
We said we want to go here, so. It is a beautiful island.
She loved this place the most. She didn't tell you about the weather.
Well, there's no predicting the weather.
Either.
Except here. It always rains. But we've had a lovely time here and we would come back someday. Bye. Tuesday. What Tuesday was that?
May 3rd.
Tuesday, May 3rd. Where were we?
We were in Maui. Friday we went up to Hana, and Saturday we left. No, Saturday we left. So one day we went hobie catting, one day we went windsurfing, and one day we went parasailing. We went parasailing.
We went parasailing, yes, before we did Hobie Cat. Well, the sun's breaking out in Kauai. And, oh yeah, good news, the wallet has been found, so we can go on having a fantastic time.
I wish I would have filmed you looking for that wallet.
Yes, I was a little upset not finding the wallet, but I rationalized the fact that, what the hell? Oh well. What the hell? Looks like it's out, B. Alright. We're exploring today. We're trying to find the perfect day.
We have our picnic lunch. Two. What'd she say? How did she put it? Two.
Choice of two, choice of one. You get two choices. And here we go. Walking toward the beach. Sky that we found. I don't know if it's coming out on this video, but it's blue. It's a little cloudy too. Stop. Next time. It's the ocean, it's warm. That other water is fresh water. All right, let's continue. This is the fresh water entering into the ocean. Come on! You're making it. Beautiful wildflowers.
This is your next to last